New Mexico has a high vaccination rate. So why are COVID cases still surging? Today, the state's top doctor did dive into that topic. Here's News 13's Jessica Gaddett with the state's update on the pandemic.
Well, Dr. David Gray says it's a tough time for New Mexico as cases rise again. He says there are three reasons. First, the Delta variant is wreaking havoc amongst the unvaccinated. As you can see here in the orange, that represents the unvaccinated, which makes up about 72% of cases, 77% of hospitalizations, and 95% of deaths. Secondly, people have gotten complacent with COVID-safe practices.
Certainly vaccination, we think, is our way out of this pandemic and is the #1 way to protect yourself. But that alone is not going to give you the highest degree of protection. There are things you can add on to that, and that includes wearing a mask when you're indoors, trying to avoid crowds and poorly ventilated places, physical distancing.
And that was state epidemiologist Dr. Christine Ross. Now, she says the pandemic is far from over as case rates are going up around the world. In New Mexico, after reaching a plateau, we are now seeing a surge, with the state top doctor saying we're heading in the wrong direction. The state is seeing a 7-day average in test positivity rates of about 12%. That's much higher than the 7.5% target. And while New Mexico ranks as one of the highest vaccinated states with 60% 18 and up fully vaccinated, the state still points out about 40% of the state has still not gotten shots. Dr. David Grace explains the third reason that's driving up case counts: waning immunity. He shared new data that he says few states have seen, saying since New Mexico vaccinated faster than most states, we are seeing breakthrough cases earlier than others.
The average amount of time for a vaccine breakthrough case in New Mexico is 163.4 days, which works out to about 5.5 months.
Just today, the New York Times ran an article about New Mexico's rising number of COVID cases. Just like he told the Times, today Dr. Grace emphasized New Mexicans need to get their booster shots. So far, only 230,000 New Mexicans have done so. Kim?
Okay, thanks, Jessica. Now, the state says hospital capacity is still stretched thin, with only 8 ICU beds available around the state right now. To put that in perspective, Dr. Gray says that means if someone has a heart attack, there may not be an ICU bed for them immediately. The state is reporting 1,337 new COVID cases today. 385 of those are in Bernalillo County, 212 Doña Ana, 188 in San Juan. There were also 12 more recent deaths, and we are up to 490 COVID patients currently in the hospital. That is 20 more than yesterday. APS will be holding a vaccination clinic exclusively for kids ages 5 to 11 this weekend. It will be Saturday from 10 to 3 at Albuquerque High. You can schedule an appointment through the state's vaccine registration website. As of this afternoon, 1,329 kids in that age group have received their first dose.